Okay, here's my Model I system. What you'll notice looking at it is it's got an Atari joystick sitting on it, and that's connected to the expansion interface by a small little green interface here, which I'll get out in a moment and show it a little bit closer. It's a reproduction of the alpha joystick interface, and so most games that were written for it take advantage of it. So I'm going to show it running Robot Attack, which I've got ready to go. Okay, so those of you that know this game know that it has a very long intro, which I'm going to skip past. Robot Attack. Okay, so to play the game we press 1, and hopefully you'll be able to see that I'm using the joystick to move the little man around. I was reasonable at this game back in the day. Now it looks like I still got it. So there you have it. Anyway, that's a Atari joystick, and it's connected to a Model I at the expansion interface. Let's show you what the adapter looks like. So there you have it. A plug for the Atari joystick and a bus connector plugs into your expansion interface. Connects facing down with the solder side of the circuit board facing outwards, and would probably sit on your desk like that. Okay, so just to show you how I would set this up, I've got an expansion interface here removed from the system. If yours has a cover on it, you push your finger in and remove the cover, and we have our Atari joystick adapter. Goes in just like that, and you are ready to go. Thanks for watching.